In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Thrustmaster T80 pedals not working. If your pedals are unresponsive or not detecting input, follow these troubleshooting steps to get them working again. First, check if the pedal cable is securely connected to the racing wheel. Unplug it and reconnect it firmly to ensure a proper connection. Sometimes a loose cable can cause the pedals to stop responding. Next, make sure the T80 is in the correct mode for your console. If you're using a PS4 or PS5, switch the wheel to PS4 mode using the Mode Selector switch. If you are on a PC, you may need to install drivers from Thrustmaster's official website to ensure compatibility. If the pedals still don't work, try resetting the wheel by unplugging the USB cable from your console or PC, waiting 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. You can also test the pedals in the game's controller settings to see if they are being recognized. For persistent issues, check for dust or debris inside the pedal unit and clean it carefully. If the problem continues, contact Thrustmaster support for further assistance or possible repairs. This should help fix your T80 pedals. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.